Let's look at how PrivaClave automatically tokenize or encrypt sensitive information at runtime as they are collected and stored within back-end data stores. At the PrivaClave centralized administration portal, once you configure the services that are required to be onboarded and whose traffic will be intercepted, and then set the data protection policies of which sensitive data fields you want to encrypt or tokenize, it takes care of the data protection function automatically. Let's look at a business application that has multiple user personas who use the platform to either upload or view information. In this case, a tutor is adding content that has some personal data along with some information that is considered to be sensitive and needs to be stored in an encrypted or tokenized form within the database. Now let's see PrivaClave in action. When a database administrator who has access to the back-end database that stores the data entered by the user tries to view the tables, finds that the fields that were marked as sensitive and encryption and tokenization policies were applied against them. They have been stored persistently protected, and that even the database administrator can't see them in the clear. Now, when a search or query is made on the database, PrivaClave allows for those searches to run on encrypted or tokenized data, and seamlessly allows for the encrypted or tokenized data to be visible at runtime, but selectively, based on the user's permissions as defined in the identity management or governance platform. While John, a tutor, was able to see all the data in the clear, but Alex, a student, was only able to see one of the fields in the clear. And the enterprise administrator, who has the least privilege when it comes to access to sensitive data, sees everything persistently protected. Every transaction intercepted and secured by PrivaClave is logged in real time. Enterprises can now store sensitive data persistently protected within their data stores and enable use of that data without redesigning their applications, incorporating SDKs, calling APIs, writing custom code, and without installing agents or clients on their services with PrivaClave runtime data insights and protection.